Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to Callahan to the United Methodist Church. I think it was a Methodist church. I could be wrong, but it's the little church that was having the show. It was a great show. It's been, I think it was the 7th annual version of it. I think we've been to the last 2 or 3. Anyway, this is going to be our Walkabout cam video where we take a camera and a selfie stick and just go around and film what we can. Unfortunately, there's not going to be as much of a Walkabout cam this time because, well, they had them packed into that little lot they were on. I'm going to tell you, they had them, there wasn't much room to walk between them in some spots. So, that's that. This is a great show. It's for a good cause. They raise money to help out the kids that are graduating high school, and if they can't afford the graduation fees or the regalia, the cap and gown stuff, it helps provide that for them because they want you work so hard to go through school and you don't want a little fee or however much it costs for the cap and gown these days. I don't know how much it costs, but it's probably gotten expensive like everything else. Helps them afford that, and we're all about helping out the community in the car community. So it always brings out a lot of cool cars. It's helping out the community, so it's a good thing. I think that's really all I got for this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're gonna keep going out to the car shows. We're gonna keep going out to further out car shows and going out to different car shows as much as we can. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Keep these videos coming at you. That's really all I got. So let's get you out to the car show. Let's rev it up them hot rods. Car show vibes, car show vibes, shine so hard it blinds my eyes. Car show vibes, let it be right, it's all the prize. White walls turning, bass in the chest, old school leather press like Sunday best. You tap the hood, I hear that grin. Even the judges wanna ride back in. Chrome on chrome, heat in the air. One more look before I swear. Car show vibes, car show vibes, shine so hard it blinds my eyes. Car show vibes, baby let it ride, gets all the pride. Under the tents we talk all night, blue flame paint and the dash lights. You
whatever I said, that's okay. And I don't listen to EP or neither does my wife.
All right. Good morning, everybody. This morning we are out in Callahan. We are at the Memorial Day Rod Run at the Callahan Methodist Church. I want to say it's Methodist Church.
All right. That's the one you were talking about, right?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, I got it.
You
and
do
I
that
got one over there.
You can do
Did
that
you
van.
want the van?
You can do that van or that van.
I'm gonna do that one. All right.
All right, there's lots of cool cars out here. We're gonna take you around and show you some of what's out here. So, let's go. Hit the wrong button, guys. Here we go. There we go.
We had this spot several years ago. All the way
Love that whatever it was there.
Beans and pickles. If you need anything, how's your garden? Garden's doing okay. I put in another
Well, we got the early Ford section here. I really like that one. Twin stacks. That thing is cool. Look at the engine on that one. I can't get back over there, but you can see some of what's over there. The ground's too soft and there's too many chairs in the way. So the same's gonna be over here. You can't really get into between the cars over there. It's parked too tight. But I'll give you a view of what I can show you. There's still some good looking stuff out here we can get to. I don't know if you can see it very well, but on this Mustang he's got little stuffed snakes. He's got the little headband on it for Memorial Day.
Oh, wow.
Trying to keep an eye on our weather today. This may be a short one. May get rain shortened. But anyway, we got a lot of cool cars out here. I like that little bug there, Volkswagen. Check out the She-Devil here. That is a nice looking Charger. Of course, that Bel Air there, or I think it's a Bel Air. Anyway, it's a really good look. I love the paint on this. It's got the red and the gold. Ooh, it's a good looking car. Of course, you got the teardrop Chevelle here. Of course, I love that silver square body there. Of course, those are nice too. An old 440, 442.
Really the only main event we got. I went and put them truck.
Of course, this here blue one's kind of cool. What is it? Chevy? Yeah, Chevrolet sedan, 1939. Of course, it's right next to the suspicious vampire Impala. I can't get around to it, but ever since I saw that meme on the internet, I can't not see it, you know? Yeah, I'm parked next to the car that looks like a suspicious vampire. And then once you see it, you can't unsee it, kind of thing. But I really like this old F100 tow truck. It might not look like much, but it is cool. Of course, we got us a 427 Cobra here. How about a Tempest? Pontiac Tempest. Of course, you gotta have the Bandit, complete with the hat and sunglasses on the dash. Nice looking GT 350 there. Like I said, I can't get into too close on those cars because they're all stacked up on each other too close together.
One of them was
But I'll have some other videos where you can see them a little bit better. Of course, here's one you don't see very often. A Dodge Brothers, a 1920, I want to say 29 Dodge Brothers. Gangster car right there. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this live stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to have more videos from this in the next week or so. So I hope you guys enjoy them. We'll see you guys at the next car show.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the 7th Annual Memorial Day Rod Run in Callahan at the United Methodist Church. I think it was a Methodist church. It's the church. I know the church. I don't know what affiliation it is. Yeah. But anyway, it was a great event. Lots of cars out there. Ton of cool cars. They raised money, and they were raising money for a good cause. They were trying to raise money to help out these kids that are graduating high school that might not can afford the fee to graduate, or the graduation regalia, the cap and the gown, the whatever stuff. Because I imagine that stuff's gotten expensive. It gets more expensive every year, so it makes it harder on these kids. And, it would really suck if you were a kid and you worked hard all 12 years of your high school and you couldn't afford to walk with your graduating class because of some fee, or you couldn't afford the cap and gown or whatever. It would suck. So they raise a lot of money through the car show to help out these kids, and it's a good thing. And we really like helping out stuff like that in the car community. So that's what we do. I think they said they had 126 cars at the event. I honestly couldn't tell you because I didn't get to stay for the whole show. I had some other stuff I had to do. I really would have liked to have stayed a lot longer, but, life stuff. Anyway, so this was a great event. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you do enjoy the videos, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're clawing our way towards 500 on that monetization goal. We are at 376 currently. Day by day, week by week, we're climbing that ladder. We're going to get to that 500 eventually. I don't know how, I don't know when, but we're going to get there. And it's going to be thanks to you guys. You guys are making it happen. You guys are keeping us motivated to get out the shows. Oops, sorry, kicked the camera stand there a little bit. It's not an earthquake. So anyway, make sure you do all the things that make the YouTube happy. The likes, the subscribes, the comments. Make sure you're still subscribed, because sometimes people get unsubscribed without their knowledge. I don't think that's a problem with my channel, but I've heard other YouTubers talk about it, so I want to make sure to mention it. That's really all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to be out at the car shows next weekend. It's going to be a busy weekend, weather permitting, so there'll be more content coming, so we'll see you guys at the car show. Wherever we may be. They'll be in the video, and we told you where we're going to be in the vlog video, so go check out the vlog video to see where we're going to be. And we'll see you guys at the car show.